What's up, Ashinators? Back again with another video, this time featuring some new faces. This is Eric, I'm Henry.
And I'm Ashley.
Oh my god.
Carrie's in the background, and Megan is here somewhere too. We're gonna start a new thing today. It's, what's it called?
Most likely to.
Most likely to. So once Megan gets back, we're gonna get right into it. But first, Eric's gonna talk about our crazy day we had of going to the mall. So Eric,
they wanted to do this, just letting you know.
I took Henry shopping, took him into Zara, took his Zara virginity, if you'd like to say, if you will, is the expression I was looking for. What did we cop there? What did we get? We got a nice, I'm gonna go with cashmere sweater. Yeah, I would say 100% cashmere. Nice slim cashmere sweater that was good. Eric thought it looked good, so I was like, yeah, why not? You know, we tried on a couple other things, right? Didn't work out too well. No, it didn't really like the seaming on the shoulders didn't really go with what I was looking for. So, you know, but it was a swing and a miss, I think. Yeah, it was a little bit. But you know what? We're back. We're killing it. Although there was a diamond in the rough. We did after I think it was the 6th shoe store. Henry did find a new pair of shoes. I did get these New Balances right here. You see, I don't know if you can these new ones here. You can see them, pretty cool. They don't like them. I call them my moonwalkers. They look a little Shrek-like, a little like G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. Ish. Looks like a little esque, G.I. Joe-esque, if you will. Yeah, and then Ashley actually got a couple things also. So Ashley, this is your vlog, so you might as well explain to your Ashinators. Breakthrough. We can do a
Oh yeah, Megan's here too. She just got back in the room, and she's feeding us.
You're introducing me 5 minutes after I popped in.
No, I introduced you. You just weren't here.
Okay, I got a long sleeve thermal. We like. It's very soft.
Oh, that's the one you showed me in the thing. I didn't know you actually bought it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that was nice. That was cool.
And then, guys, these are a little like out there for me, but I got corduroy pants.
Corduroy.
I did. I gave her the okay, the Eric Barrio approval.
Yeah, I didn't get that. I only got that for one thing.
They're nice and stiff, so we'll see how they work.
Maybe next time.
Then Eric got something as well. What'd you get, Eric?
A Playboy shirt.
Playboy shirt. From
PacSun.
PacSun. Cool story.
My brain.
Okay, so we're gonna do a most likely to.
Whatever that is, Ashinators, comment below if you know what that is.
Who's asking the questions?
Let me find some good ones.
Meg Honey is working on it.
Yeah. So how do
technical difficulties, but
like someone reads is she gonna read something, then I'll be like, oh, I think that's Henry, you know?
I don't really know how this game's played, but we're doing it for the vibe.
Do they have to be appropriate?
Probably, because
sure, yeah.
No.
Are you family friendly?
Putting this actually on your channel.
Frick yeah, content.
Is this actually?
So this has to be family friendly. Because Vicky Olsen.
Because here.
Hey Vicky.
Hey.
Hi mom.
Oh, hi mom. I'm Henry. I'm sorry.
What else did we do today?
Okay.
Nothing.
Oh my god, wait! I took Ashley to Uno's for the first time.
Oh yeah.
And if any of the Beauty by Ash subscribers have ever had gone in on the Uno's deep dish cookie, shit's bomb. So we all split one.
Who is most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
Ashley.
Ashley.
I think I would like prevail for a little while, and then like
I think stupid. I think a zombie would come running straight for Ashley, and she would just stand there.
She'd be like, wait, I'm not ready.
No. Okay. Who is most likely to move to a different country?
Henry. I feel like he moved to like Egypt.
I'd say Eric. Eric seems pretty cultured.
No.
Where do you think they move to? Country this summer.
Maybe
Eric will go to Spain.
I'm going to Spain.
Eric will go to Europe.
I'm studying abroad.
Eric will fly to
Europe. Eric and I want to study abroad in Italy.
I'm going to Salamanca.
We do.
I'm going to Salamanca.
Henry's gonna tag along.
Comment below if you think they should go to Italy together.
Mama, honey, approved.
Comment down below if you want to.
Comment below your favorite country. You know.
Who's most likely to spend all of their money on something stupid?
Eric.
Definitely me.
I was gonna say most likely to abandon their room because of spiders.
Me.
Eric.
What would you say was Eric?
Oh yeah, I would definitely
abandon their room because of spiders. I say Eric. Most likely to accept a plea bargain for a crime they didn't commit. Ashley. Most likely to accidentally kill someone.
Ashley.
Most likely to accidentally send a text to someone that was meant for someone else.
Also Henry. Ashley.
Probably Ashley.
I'm going with Henry. No,
I've done that before.
I've done it before. Oh, sorry.
I've done it before. Most likely to accidentally set the house on fire.
Ashley.
So Ashley.
What? If I did it, it wouldn't be on
Sorry,
accident.
Mom.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
That's very true.
Arson.
Most likely to annoy someone on purpose.
Kerri.
Carrie.
You're you
pretty
like to
annoying.
It's not.
push
It's not.
buttons.
Yeah, but it's
Why
sarcasm. It's
sarcastically
sarcasm.
Why me? There's a difference
You just
between.
don't. You just don't know my sarcasm.
I
mean,
know
I
you're
do,
sorry.
like, I'm
we
so,
have
like-
similar.
No, you
We have
don't.
similar senses.
There's a
of humor.
difference between a reality show.
Eric,
Me.
David.
Real Housewives if you were.
David for sure. Comment below if you think he should be
Stop.
named Eric and David.
Most likely to avoid.
Subscribe on his face too. What?
Most likely to avoid confrontation.
Or Henry.
Yeah, definitely Meg
Not
Buddy.
me.
Probably me.
I thought you said in the restaurant you're like I don't like confrontation.
Yeah.
No, I thought
Guilty.
you were like
Most likely to be a crappy DJ.
Kerri.
Knew it!
Yeah.
It's Carrie.
I'm pretty
Carrie's
good.
the worst person.
Eric
to
was pretty good.
play stuff.
I am.
on.
Yeah,
I feel like we were both like, I mix it up.
I've gotten
a little bit.
better.
Played some EDM.
Comment below which one of your friends is a crappy DJ.
Oh my god.
That's how you do it.
I hope you get on one of those like.
Most
you know,
likely to be a gang member.
Eric.
I was gonna say me.
No,
Kerri,
Eric's
no.
undercover gang member right here.
I'm a curb stomp, everybody.
Probably
Oh,
Carrie.
Kerri.
Yeah, I would definitely go with Carrie on that one.
Most likely to be
Nah.
found in the library.
Every 5 seconds I get the wanna go to the library
Yeah,
text.
facts. Seriously, Carrie?
It's true. You guys do go to the
You all got
library and do
homework.
like one worksheet.
You know you have a desk in your room?
No.
Mm.
You not you so much. You go to the library and do one worksheet and then you leave.
What's up, Ashtonators? Back again with part 2 of this video.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Guys, I'm not, he was so excited about this.
I didn't even care.
He was
Like,
he was
so
he was
excited.
so
It
It was
excited
Eric's
about
idea.
it.
It was David's idea.
It was not.
No,
my
it's
idea.
really yours.
It was my little fault. I was really happy.
Don't throw me under the bus.
Comment below if you think I should start my own YouTube channel.
I think you should.
At Henry Yanni.
Do like day in my life.
Day in the life.
Student athlete edition.
Student athlete edition.
People watch, like, I watch those.
back at the gym. Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's time to go for left at 5 in the morning.
Are we starting from
Corn
the
dog.
beginning? Do you want me to
That's
go from
Carrie.
where we were?
Okay.
Okay.
Also known as
my
corn dog.
Carrie, Karen,
Matt, most likely to
cornhole,
become a high school
Colson.
teacher.
Kaleidoscope.
Colson, the fuck?
Cornucopia.
That's me.
Corn dogs.
So bad place.
Most likely
Are
to
you
order
sure?
a
My hair too
pizza
much
within
that
the
way.
next 24 hours.
Probably.
Me.
Yeah.
Probably. Most likely to throw a fit during a game of Monopoly. Carrie.
I'm very impatient, so.
Not
I'd throw a fit 'cause I lose.
It's like 3 hours. Like, but I get parked
Who
place
is
somewhere.
most likely ready to sleep anywhere?
Karen, Ashley.
Ashley.
Ashley, yeah.
100%.
I sleep a lot.
I don't
too.
sleep really.
I'm
Most likely to lock himself / herself out of the house.
Karen.
Ashley.
I actually locked
Ashley
myself
locked
out
herself
of
out of her
Why
room
me?
the other
Carrie.
day.
Why me?
Jackie and I locked ourselves out of
No,
our
Carrie's
room.
pretty on top of things. She's sharp.
Ashley.
Most likely to pull a Kanye on an award stage.
Carrie.
Carrie.
She'd be like,
Yeah.
object.
I'll let you finish.
Sorry,
I'll
guys.
let you finish, but it's gotta flip.
is
Beyonce had the
flexing.
best music. Most likely to learn a foreign language.
Oh, but both of us were both
Oh,
in French
oui, parlez en
101.
français.
I know
Et vous?
Spanish, but
Oh, we
know
love a
shit.
few.
I think I failed my exam.
Comment
I know what this.
below.
you're laughing at yourself.
Guys, comment below if you also have taken
Most
French
likely
and any.
Parlez tu
Okay.
en français?
Okay.
For here.
Da, 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 da. Who's most likely
Everyone
to
do
be a
like
world
5 more.
traveler?
Eric.
Me.
Eric.
Yeah, I feel like
Me.
Eric.
I feel like Ashley and I could both be like those, like, you know, like those people you see on Instagram that like travel the world and they're never home and like,
Backpacking.
every other day they're in a different country. That we could.
No, I
try.
hope Italy like actually works out because that'd be so fun.
Comment down below if you want us to go to Italy.
Day in the life. Italy.
Most likely to survive a zombie apocalypse?
Henry.
Probably.
No, I feel like Henry would not.
Yeah, I feel like
Most
you.
likely to do a bungee jump?
Not me.
I would do it. Yeah, I would do it.
I would do one.
I have a fear of heights.
I would do one.
We just get closer to the ground, so you wouldn't be scared when we went down.
I've just realized. Never mind.
What? Yo, it's for the channel. Say what's up.
It's
Corn.
Hey corn.
Hi.
I just realized that I've been like looking at this
Guys,
for
my
the
viewers are
majority
really
of
gonna
it
see.
instead of looking at the actual
real
camera.
man.
I've been
Oh,
looking at the
shit.
viewfinder.
Oh, that's so true.
What?
So it's gonna be like we're looking off screen.
That's
the
funny.
video
Wait, you guys been looking at the viewfinder?
Yeah.
for a
Oh, you've been
long
looking at the
bit.
camera?
Yeah.
You're supposed to look in the lens.
That's so weird.
We're not really YouTubers.
What's up, Ashinator?
That's
Just peeking. No. Kerri, I don't want it on me right now. But
Comment below if you think Ashley and I should box because she just hit me. It's like,
ooh.
You're asking them to comment a lot.
just a little bit, Eric.
yeah, that's how you get.
No, I'm like in full.
Yeah.
I only have one class tomorrow though, guys.
I have
So,
two.
I have an 8 a.m. and that's it.
11 and a 3:30. With this one.
What about you?
Eric Vario on Instagram.
That one.
Got a couple of 7.
Don't follow.
People are gonna be like, how the fuck do you...
I'll link it. Click on their face to follow their Instagram.
I don't like these.
All right, everybody.
He's gonna
That
do my
about
outro.
wraps it up. We appreciate you, Ashinators, for watching and viewing. Make sure to comment below all the things that we said to.
Mm-hmm.
No, you gotta like finish it off.
Yes, sir. Do that.
Oh my God.
Subscribe if you're not already...
Click there.
Subscribe.
Up, click right up there.
Click on my face.
Click that big thumbs up down there. It helps us a lot, you know. Comment, share this video, favorite it, you know. And we're gonna see you next week when we do a get ready with me before stats class.
I kind of want to do a week of my life next week, so maybe I will.
Didn't you already?
Day in the life.
Well,
a
of
day,
an
week
athlete
in the life
coming to you soon.
Week in the life.
Once Eric and I start a channel.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out.
Alright, see y'all next week.